Hello, darlings, and welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha, and today we're making puppy chow. Welcome back to the channel, friends, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Samantha, and today we are making a treat inspired by Disney's Cruella, coming out today in theaters and on Disney+. I was thinking, what would be a good Cruella treat, and then puppy chow. Gotta make puppy chow for Cruella de Vil, right? I know she doesn't like puppies, but that just seems like the perfect dessert to encompass her. So we're gonna be making some black and white puppy chow today. Of course, have to use Cruella's signature colors. Super easy and fun. You can make it with your family and eat it tonight while you're watching Cruella at home. I'll put the recipe down below while you're down there. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get started, friends. Butter. Peanut butter. Chocolate chips. We're gonna pop this in the microwave, get it nice and smooth. I like to take it out at 30-second intervals so the chocolate doesn't seize up. All right, we're getting there. Perfect. Gonna add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna add in our cereal. It was at this moment, friends, when I realized I had made a grave error. Not only did I not have a bowl big enough for this amount of puppy chow, I also should have poured the chocolate over the cereal in a separate bowl before doing whatever it is I'm doing here. So good notes for you to take for the next time. Maybe use a very large bowl and then pour the chocolate over the cereal so you don't get whatever this is. So I've got them pretty evenly coated. Didn't have a bigger bowl, so that was a bit of a chore. But now comes the fun part. We're gonna make this black and white. Gotta have a little bit of Dalmatian representation with our Cruella de Vil themed puppy chow, don't you think? So I split our puppy chow into 2 separate bowls. On one half, I'm going to put brownie mix, and then the other half, I'm going to be putting powdered sugar. So we'll have a nice black and white puppy chow mix. So mix it together, and then I've got something else really special that I'm gonna add to it to make it really Cruella. Now I've got everything mixed up. I am going to add in a little bit of red M&Ms for just a pop of Cruella color. All right, so I think everything looks pretty good. I think it's time to take a taste. All right, got myself a little cup here, so let's take a little nibble here. Well, I don't think you'd find Cruella eating this at any of her high fashion parties. She doesn't seem like a finger food type of gal. But maybe Horace and Jasper would eat this? I don't know, it tastes pretty delicious. Well, thank you so much for watching, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you and your family plan on watching Cruella this weekend. Thank you so much. Have a magical day.